Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating kit. A premium solution that promises to elevate the protection of your vehicle with the latest in graphene and ceramic technology. Whether you're a car enthusiast, boat owner, or just someone looking to extend the life of your vehicle's paint, this product has got you covered. Let's dive into what makes this sprayable graphene ceramic coating stand out from the crowd. First, the advanced graphene oxide formula is not just another ceramic coating, it's a genuine leap forward in technology. Unlike typical silica-based products, this true graphene ceramic spray delivers superior durability and long-lasting protection. We're talking about an impressive 18+ months of shield-like defense for your car, boat, RV, or motorcycle. One of the coolest features of this product is the patent-pending ceramic glow technology. This innovation uses UV tracers to help you apply the coating precisely. When used with the included UV flashlight, you can see exactly where you've applied the coating, ensuring complete coverage without missing any spots. This feature is especially handy for those who want professional-grade results at home, offering confidence during the application process. Applying the coating is effortless, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned detailing enthusiasts. The user-friendly formula allows you to easily coat your vehicle's exterior surfaces with just a spray and a wipe, saving you time while providing maximum protection. From painted surfaces to wheels, glass, headlights, plastic trim, and even unfinished metal, this product is versatile enough for a wide range of surfaces. The coating not only offers protection from environmental elements like dirt, water, and UV rays but also enhances the appearance of your vehicle. It gives an incredible gloss, depth, and shine that brings out the true color of your paint. It even helps reduce water spots and makes it easier to clean, which means less time spent washing and more time enjoying your ride. Adams Polishes has built a reputation for delivering top-tier automotive products, and this advanced graphene ceramic spray coating is no exception. Made in the USA and backed by a 110% satisfaction guarantee, it's a product you can trust. If you're not completely satisfied with the results, Adams Polishes is committed to making it right. In conclusion, if you're looking to add an extra layer of protection and shine to your vehicle, the best Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating kit is a top contender. It's easy to apply, highly effective, and delivers long-lasting results. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional detailer, this coating is sure to enhance your vehicle's finish and protect it for months to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product reviews here on Product Critique. See you next time.